So nandito kami sa Livermore, which is the third outlet na bibisitahin natin. Apparently this is the nicest outlet here. So let's take a look. Hopefully you find something nice. We'll try to check out the luxury shops, Prada, Gucci, check out Nike, Adidas, Under Armour again. So tingnan natin. So yan, kita nyo naman, entrance pa lang, social na. Di ba? Hindi siya katulad ni Great Mall. Tsaka hindi siya katulad ni Gilroy. Well, we can start here. Pwede tayo mag-Under Armour, Nike, Adidas, Coach. Ay, or you wanna go here, Gucci. You can start here. Pwede tayo ganun. Para maiba. You want? So we go there first. So daming tao dito kumpara sa ibang outlet sa puntahan natin, no? Wow, walang Gucci. So dito muna tayo, Zegna. Wow, 40 to 50% off. Ooh, this looks nice. Ano pala yung tawag dun sa binili ko? Triple stitch sneaker. Super clean, no? Black and white lang. 50%. So we just checked out, ano tawag yung Zegna? Sobrang ganda, 40% off, 50% off, really good deals. So we might end up buying something there. So abangan nyo lang. Ayan o, may Bottega, Veneta, Versace, Sandra Stewart. Sige, I'll check here naman. That is not bad. 760 to 389. Oh, 227. Pwede oh. There's a coffee shop. Oh. Art Lee Coffee. Can I have coffee? Jarvis. Si Amanda. So si Jarvis is making my cappuccino yata. What? This is Amanda. This is Jarvis. Ang galing. What? It has my name, oh, Carlo. That's how long it takes before it gets done. Carlo. Go, Jarvis, go! Cappuccino ko yun, di ba? What? Even has latte art. What?
Carlo,
thank
your
you.
cappuccino is ready. Hope you like the coffee I made.
Thank you, Jarvis.
Thank you, Amanda.
Panalo, guys. So, nakita nyo naman, walang tao. Yun ang future ng trabaho ng mga barista. Tikman na namin yung kape. Magaling magtimpla ng kape si Jarvis tsaka si Amanda. Di ba, babe? At this point, titingin kami sa mga Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, the usual suspects. And then, we might circle back to Zegna kasi may nakita ko doon maganda. Tsaka sa Bottega, babe. Mura lang. So, tingin tayo doon. Project Rock 3. Orange and white. Sana may size 13. So, I asked him if there's a size 13. They have the triple white also here. Let's see. Fingers crossed they have it in my size. Nike outlet here. Laki. I have a feeling doon na pareho lang siya doon sa iba. Hey, we bought something finally. Oh, what did you buy?
Hobo, parang structured hobo na bag ng Marc Jacobs.
Nice.
Parang 55 off.
Magkano kinalabasan?
From 450 to 100.
Not bad. Boom. Adidas. Daming tao. Ultra Boost, Ultra Boost, puro Ultra Boost. Pharrell. Human-made na Pharrell. Oh, show. Ay, ang cute naman yan. What
From
else?
the lunar collection.
From the parang New Year.
So from 118, 70 something.
Ano pa?
I got a nice shirt for just $20 from $59.
Nice. Happy?
And Yeah, but sweater.
Pakita ko lang sapatos. Ganda oh. Ambush. Ayan, yan ang mukhang hanapin nyo dito pag punta kayong San Jose. Mukhang hinahanap eh.
De guys, pag visit kayo dito, ako bala, may Juno Tour package tayo.
Yeah.
Abangan sa junotour.com. Diba? Racket lang. Oh, cute, 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 cute. Ikaw, ano suot mo?
Beaters.
Yan, isa pang mukhang hanapin ninyo. Ta-da! And we're back here in the hotel. So nakita nyo naman, that's Livermore. So Livermore was the third outlet that we were able to visit. In terms of my haul, nakita nyo na naman what I ended up buying. I bought the blazer, acronym collaboration. Shout out to Dwight and everybody from Sneak Attack, yun yung favorite nila. I ended up buying a couple of items from Tumi, including this really nice parang gadget kit. So, pinalagyan ko ulit ng name ko, CSO, or my initials. Dito ko actually nalagay yung camera, which I'm using right now when I put it in my bag. And a bunch of other stuff. I bought a couple of sleeves from Timbuktu ba yun? And mga pangregalo din to a couple of people back at home. So, ano yung verdict natin pagdating sa outlets? So, we went to 3. We went to Great Mall, we went to Gilroy, and we went to Livermore. Kung ako tatanungin ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa Livermore, skip nyo na yung Great Mall, skip nyo na yung Gilroy. Lalong-lalo na if you are looking for premium outlets. When you say premium outlets, ang lamang kasi ni Livermore, apart from the ambience, and that super kick-ass coffee machine na walang tao, mag-isa siya. As in yung nakita nyo parang Jarvis tsaka Amanda, is the selection. May Gucci, may Zegna, may Prada, may Burberry. There were several others that I wasn't even able to go to, and even all the other brands from Timbuktu to all the sneaker brands to a bunch of apparel to Boss, it's just there. Kompleto lang talaga siya. Versus, you know, taking a look at Gilroy, medyo kalat, grabe yung lakad, and at the same time, hindi naman gandong kaganda yung selection. And taking a look at Great Mall, yung, alam mo yun, while the sneaker shops are there, it's really nothing spectacular. It's nothing that will blow your mind. So, if you just have time to visit one outlet, just make the trip to Livermore. Masaya yung papunta doon. It's a bit far, but it's super worth it compared to the 2 other outlets. So, yun ang ating experience shopping at the outlets here. What do you guys think of the 3 outlets that we featured in this series? Let me know in the comment section down below. I will link sa baba yung video natin sa Gilroy and yung video natin sa Great Mall, just in case you guys haven't watched it yet and you want to check back what it looks like. So, tingnan nyo na lang yun. Tapos, comment kayo sa baba what you think. I'll pick one person who comments below kung ano sa tingin niya yung parang pinaka-trip niya, or at least somebody who comments sa baba na medyo may laman naman yung comment na medyo insightful, and I'll give them a prize. So yeah, may surprise giveaway tayo na hindi ko hype whatsoever. So it's really more for people who watch until this point of the video. So just comment down below. You don't have to follow me on Instagram. You don't even have to subscribe on YouTube. Just comment, give this video a thumbs up, share it if you want to, and again, don't forget to comment, and I will draw a winner when I get back to Manila. First week April. And kung ano yung price, secret. Abangan nyo na lang. Matutuwa na lang kayo pag nakuha nyo. So yun, that's it for today. Next episode natin will be check out namin ni Mitch yung cable car sa San Francisco, and I'm going to shop at Peak Design, one of my favorite bag brands over there. So kung mahilig pa kayo sa mga touristy content, abangan nyo. We have a few more videos. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.